If you want to take a long scrolling screenshot on OnePlus 15R, then we have a couple of ways that allow you to do so. You can, for example, capture a full screenshot by any means you know. So for example, I'm gonna swipe 3 fingers down, and then you can tap on scroll here on the left side. And as you can see, if there is like a page where you can scroll down or an app, then you should be able to keep scrolling. You can also do this manually, and then you can choose the end point of the screenshot. You can also toggle the auto scroll back again if needed, and tap on done in order to save the scrolling screenshot. As you can see, there we go, we have our long screenshot like this. Now besides that, what you can also do is you can use 3 fingers again, but this time if you press and hold 3 fingers on the screen, then you can swipe all the way down to the bottom of the screen in order to start taking the scrolling screenshot as well. And last but not least, what you can also do is you can go to the control center or quick settings, and over here if you find a screenshot button, you can tap on the screenshot text, and then we have the scrolling screenshot option too. So you can use that too, and it works just fine. And in addition to that, I'm gonna show you screenshot settings. So if you go to settings on your phone, and then go to accessibility and convenience, then you should be able to find screenshot settings in here. And we are looking for the screenshot gestures. So this is in case the 3 finger swipe down gesture doesn't work for you. Actually swipe down or press and hold and then swipe down. In these cases, you want to make sure that these 2 options are enabled. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.